What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Minecraft Alex. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large square for the head. We're going to start at the very top. We're going to draw a straight line going across from left to right. Now I want to round out the corners of our square. So I'm just going to come around and then bring that down. And I want to draw that same length line across the sides. So let's start with the left. Bring this all the way down towards the bottom. And do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom corners. Go all the way across with a straight line, and round this out. Let's move to the center across the bottom and draw in the mouth. We're going to start a straight line, going across the bottom, go up along the sides, and we'll close off the top. Now I'm going to move up and draw two straight lines going out towards the side, across the bottom edge of the eyes. From the inside, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the eyes. Draw the same length line along the outside, and then we'll flatten off the top. Now I want to separate the eyes in half. Now I'm going to go back over towards the left side and draw the edge of the hair. Let's start from the top left eye, draw a straight line going out. Let's go to the inside corner, go up, across towards the middle, and then up towards the top. Just going to work our way across towards the right, going straight out, and down, across, and then down on top of the eye. Then from the corner, just going to flatten this out. Now from the bottom corner of the head, let's step in, draw the side of the body. We'll start with the left, all the way down towards the hip, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now from the bottom, draw a short line coming in, go up, and then we'll close this off. Let's add in the belt. We're going to step up, draw a straight line going across, move up and draw that again. Now I'm going to go to the center of the body and draw in the hair. Start with a straight line coming down, go out, down, and then in, come all the way down towards the bottom. Just going to work our way across, going out, up. Just going to draw a little staircase going up towards the right side of the body. Let's go back to the center, draw the edge of the collar, going out, up, out, and then up. Let's add 3 squares across the bottom of the collar. From this point, come down, then across, go up, draw that again, and we'll add 1 more. Now going back down to the hips, we're going to curve the legs, going out and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet coming in. From the inside, let's bend the legs coming up and then in. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Close off the bottom with a straight line. Now from the top legs, we're going to step down and draw a straight line going across the top edge of the boot. Now we're going to go all the way back up underneath the head and draw on the outside of the arm. Let's start from the top left. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's flatten off the arms with a straight angled line. Now I want to follow that same curve going up and then in toward the side of the body. Now we're going to add in the sleeve. From the top of the arm, angle this up and out. Step down, draw that again. Let's do the same thing over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon drawing of Minecraft Alex. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.